What are hashable types for Python dictionary keys? Imagine you have a collection of items and you want to organize them in a way that makes retrieval quick and easy. In Python, dictionaries are perfect for this, but they have a special rule for what can be used as a key. The key must be a hashable type. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down. A hashable object is one that has a fixed hash value during its lifetime. Think of the hash value as a unique fingerprint for that object. Python uses this fingerprint internally to find the key value pair fast. If the fingerprint changes, Python might get lost and not find the data anymore. So, only objects that stay the same are allowed as keys. The main trait of hashable types is that they are immutable. This means their content cannot be changed after creation. For example, once you create a string or a number, you can't alter it. Because of this, their hash value remains constant, making them reliable as dictionary keys. Common examples of hashable types include integers, floating point numbers, and strings. These are simple and unchanging, so Python can always trust their hash value. Tuples are also hashable, but only if all the items inside are hashable too. For instance, a tuple of numbers is fine, but a tuple containing a list is not, because lists can change. Other hashable types include booleans, which are just true or false, ranges that define a sequence of numbers, frozen sets which are like sets but cannot be changed, and bytes, which are sequences of byte data. These types are all immutable, so their hash values stay the same. On the flip side, mutable types are not hashable. Lists, dictionaries, sets, and byte arrays can all change after creation, so Python blocks them from being used as keys. For example, a list inside a tuple makes the tuple unhashable because the list can be altered later. Sometimes, you can make your own classes hashable by overriding the special method's hash. But by default, classes that are mutable are not hashable because their content can change, which would mess up the hash value. Knowing which types are hashable helps you avoid errors like trying to use a list or a dictionary as a key, which Python won't allow. When you use hashable types as keys, Python can quickly compute their hash and find the associated value. If you need to store a dictionary inside another data structure that requires hashable items, you can convert it into a tuple of sorted key-value pairs. So, in simple terms, hashable types for Python dictionaries are those that are immutable and have a stable hash value. These include numbers, strings, tuples of hashable items, and some other fixed data types. Mutable types like lists and dictionaries can't be used as keys because their content can change, making their hash value unreliable. Understanding this helps you write cleaner, error-free code and makes working with complex data structures much smoother.